Hello. Hello. Hello again. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, we're back in the truck. My sister's got her friend over, and they've got possession of the living room right now. So, yeah, it was a bit too loud in there, you know? A bit too loud in there. Hello. What's going on? Hello, hello. Bonjour. Hello. It's cold. I didn't warm up my truck in time. Yeah, you know, just sitting in the truck. We actually didn't end up getting too much more snow other than what we got this morning. Actually, as I say that though, it kind of just started to snow. Sitting by the fire pit right now, that sounds very cozy. Very, very cozy. Where in Canada? Ontario. Good old Ontario. It started again by me. Fuck. Lake effect, baby. Lake effect. My feet are fucking frozen right now. I need the goddamn... Oh, why is that on? Turn that off. I need my feet to warm up. The video, yeah. Salt got hit quite a bit today with snow. No bueno. No bueno. Lori, never. That'll never happen. I'll never cave into that. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Sylvia, thank you for the rose. Much love. Thank you, thank you. I do, I do have the ring light in my truck right now. Yeah. I'm in South Ontario. Southern Ontario. Fancy Nancy with the rose. Much love. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's quite crazy. The lake effect, it's a thing. It's a thing. Sunroof? No sunroof in here. Negative. I don't know, we probably got about like 2.5 feet. Probably about 2.5 feet. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Candace, thank you for the hearts. Thank you, thank you. Meet you halfway. The rest of my day was pretty relaxing. You know, I didn't really leave the house at all. So yeah, just kind of chilled, you know, just kind of chilled. Hello. She's purring. She is purring. Definitely purring. The hoodie, this hoodie is from Roots. Good old Roots. My zodiac sign, I'm a Scorpio. A good old Scorpio. No, Rana, I got this from Canadian Tire, okay? The sweater is from Roots. This is from Canadian Tire. I'm such a Scorpio. Not purring yet. Oh. By the way, if I suddenly just all of a sudden like kind of disappear, It's because my phone died. I do have it plugged in right now, but I don't know. Like, I know with my computer, right? I'll have my computer plugged in, or my phone plugged into my computer while I'm live, and it says it's charging, except it just kind of it's still, the battery still drains. Slower, but it still drains. Age 23. So I don't know if it's gonna do the same thing in the truck or not. I don't think so, but so far so good, you know? So far so good. Height 5'4". Yeah, just a short king, you know? Aussie girls here. What's going on? What's going on? I'm still gonna go to Florida, yeah. It's just a matter of when. I'll probably leave sometime next week, early next week, but definitely not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a no-go. It's Buffalo got drilled with lake effect snow. Ozzy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Johnny boy, I see you in here. Am I straight? I am straight. Correct. Tampa? Not Tampa. No. What's up? What's going on, man? When does Charlie come? On the 26th. Drill is the new dumped, yeah. You got it. What did Rihanna say? Straight fire. Straight fire. What you doing? Oh, you know, just doing a little live in the truck, that's it. Caitlin and her friend have the living room right now, and it's quite loud, so yeah. I have not decorated for Christmas yet. That's a negative. That is a negative. Add it to the collection. I could go live from my bedroom, but it's fairly close to the living room, so it's I don't know. Plus I kind of like doing the lives in the truck. It's kind of cozy. Kind of cozy. That sweater, your pic is there. Which pic? Which picture are you referring to? Very respectful. Wait, what did Kara say? Yeah, I refuse to take you into my room, you know? I'm sorry. Oh, Dan's here. Good old Dan. Sarah, what's going on? Hello? Hello, hello? Your picture as a review. I'll have to check it out. I'll have to check her out. Yeah, Dan, you're late, man. Casually late, though. Casually. Tammy, what's going on? What's going on? Sorry, I caught a train. Beth, what's going on? What's shaking? What's shaking? Sylvia, thank you for the hearts. Thank you very much. Snow. Like, yeah. Definitely about 2.5 feet for sure over the course of last night and today. For sure. What's your favorite feature in your truck? Oh, there's a lot. Honestly, I have to either go with right now, it's got to definitely be the heated steering wheel. The automatic windshield wipers are pretty nice too. And then same with the automatic high beams. So then you don't have to worry about, like, you know, leaving your high. Oh, that was my bad. I fucked up. That was my bad. Are we good now? Are we good now? Good? Okay, yeah. And then the high beam. Because I don't have to worry about forgetting to turn them off, because as soon as it picks up another car, flicks it off for me. So it's perfect. Perfect. You know? Oui, c'est bon. Très bon. Lainey, hello. I did not have a nap, actually. No nap. Love the outfit today. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you very much. Tracy, agreed. Agreed. The Bills game in December? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. It looks good on you. Thank you. Thank you. I have warmed up. Yeah. I have indeed. I'll be in Toronto Thursday and Friday, hanging around in the airport. Dan, is that like a casual invite to for a beer? You want to go for a beer? Is that what it is? I'll come meet you for a beer, man. Detroit is hopping this weekend. What do you mean? Airport beer. No, meet us. We didn't get as much snow as Buffalo, but we got like a decent bit for sure. So, but I'm fucking still snowing right now. Oh, it's hit me in the face. Just south of Buffalo, got hammered. No doubt. Buffalo usually gets hit harder than we do. Hey, you want the snow? I'll send it to Texas. You want it? You got it. Don't worry. Hello from New York. Hello from Canada. Get to Florida fast. I know. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Snowbird. Ciao, ciao. Keep the snow over there. What, Lainey, you don't want it? You don't want it? Most Canadians are in Florida now? Absolutely. Absolutely. Did you and Parker cuddle all day? Not all day, but for a little bit there for sure. For sure. He was all up in the personal space. Christina with the hearts, much love. Thank you, thank you. Don't fly, flare. Yeah, I've heard nothing good about flare. Nada. My chocolate lab loves to cuddle. Yeah, labs are definitely big lovers. Definitely big lovers for sure. Candace with the corgi. Fartin' hearts. Let's go. What are you doing? Where are you? I am casually sitting in the truck doing a live. The gray hoodie, Roots. I do have the LED lights, but I do not have the remote on me. TikTok didn't work in Cuba last time. I'm not surprised about that. The jacket is Canadian Tire though. Yeah, the jacket is Canadian Tire. Correct. Correct. Dan, you will be missed. The Leafs won 4-1, or they're up 4-1. I am a walking Canada ad. I really am. I really am. You could get a poutine tattoo? Oh no. See, I like my poutine, but I don't know if I love it enough to like get a tattoo of it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I could do that. I would crush a poutine right now though, for sure. Oh, it's snowing pretty good now. I mean, yeah, it's snowing. A Parker tattoo? I'd get a Parker tat. For sure. A Frank's hot sauce tattoo. Look at that car clearly has. That car is clearly not moved all day. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow. We do. We should get away, come to Australia. Well, you know I'd love to come to Australia. Australia. Why isn't my charger working? Oh, my charger is not to work. Dan, don't you be taking my ladies, my guy. Don't be taking my ladies. Too late? Come on, who is it? Who is it? Just give yourselves up now. We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way, okay? I'm sorry for your ears if you had headphones in there. What the fuck? It's muffled again. Are we good now? Oh, I'm having technical difficulties. Good. Okay, good. I am cozy. This is gonna make me mad. Real mad. Whatever. Fuck. Okay, ladies, we're gonna have to end it here. I'm having technical difficulties. And I cannot seem to fix it. It's pissing me off. So, we'll be back tomorrow. Maybe we'll do another morning live. Start the day off with a live. And yeah, so stay tuned on Twitter. If we do, it will be at 10 a.m. again. Much love again. Thank you all for everything today. Absolutely incredible. We're still on the podium right now. Incredible. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your night. Sleep well. And stay safe. As always, love you. Bye.